Sorry it's a little dark, but just want to get this video done and over with. Time to unlock Rabbot. Boinga, boinga, boinga. That's so beautiful. Alright. So now, let's use the cheeky board. And it starts. Why not? I don't have the speed up trail, or not trail, but I don't have the speed up. Of course, my account did this weird thing. I don't know. But yeah. As you can see, this character is really cool. I recommend getting it. The promo codes are Subway Surfers. I'll put them in the description. They are, how is it? I think it's Subway, Subway 5 Zurich. Or no, Keys 5 Zurich, capital K. I'll have them in the description below. And then the other one is, I can't think. The other one I think is Keys, but it's Keyss. No capital. Like I said, they'll be in the description. So, thank you guys for watching. If you do like and subscribe, I'll be happy to upload more. And if the promo codes don't work, just tell me, because you might think they're fake. But I already did that. The first one I think is 11 keys. The second one I think is 5. No, the first one's 11. The second one's 6. I'm a little sick, so. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be happy to upload more videos. Watch out.